good? So this morning woke up at 9. Pretty much started on doing the porch. My dad's trying to get the porch redone, so I had to take it apart. And I can't really see it. But we took the porch apart, like the front porch. It's like pretty small, but we used like a hammer and a crowbar and stuff like that. We took it apart. Didn't finish it. It's about like a quarter of it left. Because we don't know if the guy's gonna come fix it tomorrow or whenever. So we're just gonna take care of the rest of it apart tomorrow. And that's pretty much it for what I did today so far. And now I'm just gonna hang out, relax. Probably do a little casual like research on maybe other stuff today. I don't know. I don't want to go too crazy because I'm trying to relax my mind and settle it down and not just go to all these different things, all this different stuff. I might work out a little bit, even though that taking apart the porch is not a workout, but it was pretty physical. So we'll see. What? Other than that, we'll catch up later. If I think of something, I'll post it up. Peace.